How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm working in a 2012 Nissan Rogue and I'm changing the belt. So Serpentine belt is really easy in this car, but you have to jack up the car, jack and jack stands, make sure that you work safely. And on the passenger side you have to remove the liner. It's only connected by some clips and couple screws. And I'm not going to show you that process because it's really easy. You remove this panel first. It goes attached in here with some clips, and I'm going to show you in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Have them all right here. And then on the bottom you have T20 Torx. You're removing 3 T20 Torx and 2 10mm and 2 clips underneath. Then you're gonna remove one clip. You're gonna remove one clip in here, and then just set it on the side. You can move it that way. Once you remove the liner fender, then you're gonna go inside with the 14mm ratchet. That's the tensioner, and you put your 14mm, and you're just gonna move it clockwise so you release the tension from the tensioner. Make sure that you check before you start putting the new belt. Make sure the way it goes on top of the alternator, on the bottom, goes under the compressor. Then it's a pulley right here. Tensioner goes under the tensioner. Main balancer, it goes on top, and that's it. Release the tension. Then you can remove your belt. If you can see, this belt was done. Definitely needs to be replaced. So make sure that you inspect your belt, make sure that everything is right, but this one is due. Have a new belt right here, and let's put it on. Okay guys, so the only difficult part is gonna be on this pulley right here on this side, but not really difficult. Once you put it in, just kind of like move the belt so it goes like this inside. You're gonna be able to route it in there. It goes on top of the alternator, under the compressor. Pull your tensioner. Make sure the belt is sitting properly everywhere. Before you start putting everything back together, start the car, make sure that the belt is sitting right on the groove. You can see we have grooves in here, groove on the main balancer and on the alternator, and everything else goes under. Make sure that you take a picture or do a drawing on how the belt goes, so like that you don't get confused. Put everything back together, clips, the one that I removed here. On the bottom you can see the screw, clip, T20, T20, T20. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. 2012 Nissan Rogue, and it's really easy to do, but be careful and make sure that you put the belt the right way. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.